Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Total QA. In our channel, we have posted multiple videos and categorized into multiple playlists. You can go through these playlists and try to get the required knowledge in Selenium, Java, Page Object Model, Selenium interview questions, Jenkins, GitHub, REST API tutorial, CSS tutorial and export tutorial. And in today's video, we're going to discuss about how are we going to install Eclipse in our laptop. So before we go ahead and install Eclipse in our laptop, we need to understand what are the prerequisites which are to be installed before going ahead and install Eclipse in our laptop. Let's try to gather the prerequisites now. To install Eclipse, to understand what are the prerequisites for Eclipse, we have to access the link wiki.eclipse.org/eclipse/installation. Here you get to know a lot of information about Eclipse. Right, let's understand what are the prerequisites of Eclipse. If you look into this wiki page, it clearly mentioned that installing Eclipse is relatively very easy. Yes, it's very easy, but it has some prerequisites. We have to install a Java runtime environment or Java development kit, which includes JRE or JDK. It is a prerequisite before we go ahead and make sure the Java JDK installed in our laptop. So to validate whether the Java JDK is installed in our laptop, you can open Windows R, type CMD, enter, type Java --version to validate Java is installed successfully, and it is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. We can identify JRE Java Runtime Environment here, which shows a version 1.8.0, which is a prerequisite for installation of Eclipse in the laptop. Let me go back now. And also you can see there are a lot of versions which are released in the Eclipse. There are a lot of versions which are released. You can see here there are versions like 2020-09, 2020-06, 2020-03, and also a lot of versions like Photon, Oxygen, Neon, Mars, Luna, Kepler. Okay, but shall we go ahead and install the latest version, which is Eclipse 4.17, which is released in 2020-09? Can we go ahead with this? No, we have to see what are the prerequisites for downloading a specific release now. If you scroll down here, the latest version requires a 64-bit JVM and does not support 32-bit JVM. Suppose if you are having a laptop which is 32-bit, you cannot install the latest version of Eclipse. It's very important to know. And also the current release of Eclipse requires Java 11, JRE or JDK, or newer versions which has Java 14. But if you look into our laptop, we installed Java JDK 1.8. So we cannot go ahead and install the latest version of Eclipse in our laptop. So what we have to do then in that case, scroll down and see here. You can find out the information that for the Eclipse 4.16, which is released in 2020-06, we can go ahead with a Java 8, which is installed in our laptop. We can install Eclipse 4.16. But if you wanted to install Eclipse 4.17, you should be having the Java JDK 11 installed in our laptop. So it is very important. Don't try to go ahead and install the latest version of Eclipse. Always look out this wiki page, understand the prerequisites, then only install Eclipse accordingly. Now we are going to install Eclipse 4.16, which requires JDK 8 as a prerequisite. Then go back to Google now. Just type here Eclipse releases. Click on enter. Then you will get the link. Click on the link, first link. Then you can find out the different releases which are showing here. But as I said, we're going to install 2020-606, the version. Click on it, which is Eclipse 4.16. Then click on R packages. Scroll down, you will find Eclipse IDE for Java developers. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which we use mainly for creating Java projects, writing Java programs, mainly for compilation, execution of the Java programs. So this is the one which we use, and here you don't find 32-bit Windows operating system. You have only an option to select for Windows 64-bit. It's important. So just click on 64-bit now. And when you click on download, it will download a zip file. So it is not an executable file, it is a zip file. So whenever we have a zip file, we just simply unzip the file to view the contents of the file. Same thing also possible here. We just click on download here, click on download. That's it. It will download here successfully. Wait for a few seconds. It will download. And it shows here, it takes totally, it's a 208 MB. Takes some almost 15 minutes to download this. So let's wait for a few minutes now. Okay, here if you look into this folder location, I already copied the zip file, downloaded the zip file, copied to a specific location. If you look into this, it is a zip file. I have unzipped as well. This has been unzipped to this folder location. Let me open it. Then I find Eclipse here. If you click on eclipse.exe, then it will launch Eclipse in the laptop. And also one more thing we can do, we can even try to put right click on this, pin to the taskbar. You can do pin to the taskbar, it will pin to the taskbar. You don't need to navigate to this location, just check in the taskbar. When you try to say pin to the taskbar, you can just click on it, it will launch Eclipse. So I double click on it, I already double clicked on it and it opened Eclipse now. So this is what it has been opened right now. And we can even cross check what is the version of the Eclipse we have installed here. Click on help section. Click on about Eclipse IDE. And here you can find out the version as 4.16. The version what we installed is 4.16 and 2020-06. So this is how you can focus and identify the version of the Eclipse installed in our laptop. So what are important points we have to make a note? The prerequisites, the exact JDK version which is compatible for the latest version of Eclipse, right? So these two are very important. Before we go ahead and install Eclipse in our laptop, we make sure we access this wiki to understand the different releases and download the specific version as per the compatibility of the JDK installed in our laptop. Right now we installed for JDK 8 is installed, and Eclipse R16 is a version which is installed for our practicing of the Java programs. I hope this video is helpful for you to install Eclipse in our laptop without any issues. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching the video.